Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this scrolling credit edit in CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and this is where you want to start typing the names and stuff like that, but I'm just going to copy and paste this because I just don't have the time to obviously copy and paste some names. Okay, just going to adjust the font size here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, once that's done, I don't know why the font size is like that. I'm just going to add in like space between the lines like this a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to place it down here first. And I'm going to add a keyframe in the position and size. And at the end, you're going to want to drag it all the way up till like you can't see it anymore. Go to media, go to library, and add a stock video on top. Why did I select this one? Freeze frame it so you can go for longer duration. Don't know why I couldn't do that. Select mask and select the mirror and reverse it. Hopefully it's already reversed. There we go. And just like add like this cinematic sizing. And that is it. Super simple. If you want it to be slower, just make sure this is a little bit longer. And you just want to drag the keyframe here. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!